Most people think that they lack discipline. But what if the real problem is that they are living inside environments that are designed to break it? We keep telling people to be stronger, to be more focused, more motivated. पर कोई ये नहीं पूछता, what if the willpower was never meant to fight systems? Because the truth is, environment is stronger than willpower. Think about a normal day. You don't wake up into silence. You wake up into notifications. Before you choose your thoughts, something else has already chosen it for you. Your phone, your feed, your deadlines, your metrics. And धीरे धीरे बिना पूछे they begin training what your mind finds normal. Speed becomes normal, noise becomes normal, constant simulation becomes normal. और फिर हम कहते हैं why can't I focus? For most of history, our environments were neutral. A forest didn't want your attention. A village didn't monetize your emotions. But today, entire industries are built on simple one goal: keeping your mind reactive. Because a reactive mind scrolls, a reactive mind clicks, a reactive mind buys. ये moral failure नहीं है, ये design reality है. To put it simple, you are not weak, you are out-engineered. Every powerful system in history shaped human behavior. Factory shaped time, clock shaped discipline, city shaped ambition. And today these digital systems are shaping attention. They compress patience, they fragment our focus, and they reward immediacy. और जो चीज़ एनवायरनमेंट रिवॉर्ड करता है, इवेंचुअली लोग भी वही बन जाते हैं. दिस इज़ हाउ कल्चर्स आर बिल्ट, नॉट थ्रू स्पीचेस बट थ्रू सराउंडिंग्स. This is why so many capable people feel broken today. They can't sit still. They can't think deeply. They can't stay with one thing for long enough to love it. उनको लगता है कि प्रॉब्लम उनमें है, लेकिन अगर ध्यान से देखें तो प्रॉब्लम उनका नर्वस सिस्टम है. A nervous system which is trained for speed, noise, novelty. Ultimately, a distracted environment will produce only distracted lives. This changes everything. Because if environment shapes behavior, then self-improvement which ignores environment is incomplete. Real question is no longer how do I become stronger? Real question is what is silently shaping me every day? तुम्हारी हैबिट्स सिर्फ पर्सनल नहीं होती, they are actually environmental side effects. So before you try to control yourself, learn to read your surroundings, because whatever you repeatedly live inside eventually lives inside you. Attention becomes identity, and this identity, this becomes destiny. Keep in mind that willpower is a flame, बट एनवायरनमेंट्स आर वेदर. और कोई भी फ्लेम कितनी भी पावरफुल क्यों ना हो, स्टॉर्म के अगेंस्ट वॉर नहीं जीत सकती. not by force, only by redesign.